Hi. In this episode, we're going to talk about using Logger. Logger allows you to manually add entries to your system log. By default, it's kept in the main messages log file, but the beauty of it is that during certain scripts or during your work, you may want to add manual entries to the system log based on certain things that are happening inside your script or certain compliance that you must log, based on certain events or certain rules within the organization. How you use the Logger command line tool is by simply using the command logger. And by default, these messages, whatever you write after logger, will be logged into var log messages. You can even edit the facility and the priority with a -p switch. You can add other details using specific switches to your log entry. In the upcoming lab, we're going to show you how to use the Logger utility and how to then go about and see these messages in the necessary log file. Please join us in this next lab where we talk about using Logger. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the Logger utility. The Logger utility can be used within your scripts or just throughout the shell anywhere you want to be logging certain messages. So again, it can come in handy with scripts in order to split up your work or again, kind of give a notice in the log file that certain events have happened or, you're logging a certain thing. How you use it, let's go into activities and show you how. The Logger is a utility, so first I want to show you actually the man page for loggers. And it shows that what it's meant to do is enter messages into the system log, and we can give specific options like using datagrams, a specific logging the contents of a specific file, logging the process ID of the logger process, a specific ID that you can give, writing into the systemd journal, specific server, remote Rsyslog servers that you want to log towards, identifying specific ports, identifying a specific priority, and all the ways that you can modify the Logger service. But the very simple way to use it is by simply typing logger, then the message that you are logging. So I'm going to say hello from the shell. And if I actually show you where it's logged, I will look at the last few lines of var log messages. I'll try sudo tail var log messages, as it is a restricted file for me to read. So I have to use root permissions. Let's put in my root password, and now you can see that logged message, hello from the shell. All right, so this is how you use the Logger service and how it can be useful to really, put like some sort of indexing or reference points inside your logs, or if you just want to log some specific information through a program or during a script. That's it for this episode. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.